Hello friends! That's me and my sister's room. And that's our bed. She loves green color. I love pink. That's my lovely pillows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pillows. My teddy bear and my little mermaid. Let's count how many pillows she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pillows and her teddy bear. I love quiz books and funny stories. But my sister loves scientific books. Our comb and our makeups. I told you my sister loves green. She got this new beautiful green dress. This is our wardrobe with all of our cute and adorable outfits. That's right, we are sharing the same wardrobe because sisters love to share. Oh, and in this cupboard we keep our hats, mittens, and umbrellas. Let's count the shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sis, how was your school day?
Oh wow! I started with the science test, then we had the math revision,
And then of course we had the ballet rehearsal and I'm exhausted. Oh wow, what a day! I think you need a little help. Let me take care of you tonight.
Abracadabra! Abracadabra!
Yup, it's always good to help a friend in need. Night night.
Disc. Plant. Watercolors. And a painting brush. Crayons. Glue. One notebook. Two notebooks. Calculator. Stapler. Markers. Scissors. Pencil. And a pen. Sticky notes. I love school. And I love science. Textbook. Glasses. Apple. Window. Chair. Backpack. Door. Stickers. I believe in magic. Rainbow. And a heart. Oh, elephant! And now let's put some fluffy pillows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I don't want to get up. Hey, you're gonna be late for work. Come on, wake up. Hey, leave me. Huh? What did you say? Oh my, I'm late? Uh-oh, oopsie. Oh, I have responsibilities. My students will be waiting for me. But hey, I can't leave my bed like this. Let's make it. Wow, that was fast. Kids, I have no time. I need to go to school. This outfit is perfect. Come on, let's put it on. Let's not forget the socks. And now the shoes. It's time for the hair. let's pack my bag. First, I'll need my backpack. Alright. I'll need my pencil, my flower pen, calculator. We have geography today. And mathematics. And art. I'll need those to correct students' papers. And these stickers for rewards. And of course my teacher's notebook. Oh, my apple! Don't forget that fruits give you energy and make you strong. Okay, and finally my glasses. That's it, I'm ready. I'll be right on time. Bye, kids. Oh wow! This fashion shop is amazing! But hey! There's nobody here! Let's try to ring the bell! Good morning, miss! How can I help you? Oh, good morning! Well, I need to buy new shoes! Oh, but there are so many! Oh yeah! That's why you need to try them! Oh, alright! Let's see... Oh, I like this one. Oh, these are so cute. I'm gonna try them too. And these green ones? Come here, babies. These are enough. Can I try them now? Oh yeah, of course. You made a really good choice. Just wait a minute. Oh wow! I like your shop even more now! I'm so glad to hear that, miss! Come on, take a seat! And I'm coming in a second! Huh? This is a right and left foot shoe sizer to find your perfect fit! Come on, let's first take off your shoes! This is your right foot and this is your left foot. Come on, let's start with the right one. Here is where your right heel should go. Alright, and now the right arch. Good. And now let's mark it. Now let's do the same for the left foot. Oh great, all these shoes are your size. Come on, let's put them on. Oh, I don't like them. Yeah, I agree. Alright then, let's try the next. Let's see. No, I don't like these either. Alright, let's try the last pair of shoes. Oh, these are so cute! I like them! Oh wow, these shoes are so comfortable! I'm gonna buy them! And now I need an outfit for them. Alright, miss, I'm coming in a minute. These jeans are so cool. I'm gonna take them. And this dress, it's amazing! Alright. Oh yeah, I'm sure she's gonna love this. Alright, that's enough. Oh wow, how many clothes! I'm in paradise! It's time to try them all! Come on! It's time for the truth! Let's see... Oh! It's so cool! But it's not mine. Come on, let's try the next outfit! Alright, let's see. It's a really beautiful dress, but I'm looking for something more exciting. I have a good feeling for this one. Let's see. Oh wow! That's it! I found the perfect outfit! Woohoo! I'm gonna take it! And now I need some accessories. Oh, I have something in mind. Let's see. Black bracelet, pink bracelet, and pink ribbon. 1, 2, 3. Alright, these are enough. And now I need a bag. 1, 2, 3. Leather, linen, plastic. Oh, I want the one with the ribbon. Oh, I'm so happy. I like all this stuff and I want to buy them all. 1, 2, 3. Let's put the box with your old shoes in the third one. This is the best shopping I've ever had. Thank you for all your advices and patience. I'm gonna recommend you to all my friends. Bye bye. I'm so glad, miss. Have a nice day.